Hello everyone and welcome to our 390 subscriber special. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be filming 2 elevators in Barnsley Hospital. We're going to join me the bigger ones, which is through here. So elevators, here they are. So we have 5 elevators here. They're all working this time. Wonder which one we're going to get here, eh, Paul? Who knows? That one wasn't working last time I came here. These are really, really busy elevators, these. I'm a massive YouTube elevator photography, I do. Wonder which one we're going in. Who knows? Yeah, I believe we might be in elevator C or elevator D. Yeah. Yeah, I know, yeah. And I've never seen these arrows before. I think they only do them on new lift, I think. Which is what logic these elevators run on. I think it's going to be elevator D by the other looks of it. Elevator E is stopped on 7. I'll pause it until one gets here. Alright then, here comes the elevator. Elevator D, we're getting in. So we can see that elevator D and also elevator E are both come in. We're getting in D. Here it is. And also elevator A is here as well. What floor are you wanting? What floor are you wanting? Number 8, okay. These are classic elevators. Capacity 17 persons, 1,300 kilos. Modernised 2022. Okay, after that short pause, I've now picked up my insoles. So now we're going to go back to the elevator and we'll transfer over to the purple zone. Okay, so we're now transported over to the purple zone elevators. We're going to be getting in car B, the one I actually prefer. Here it is. I'm surprised that the other voice is still working in this one. We'll go on up to 3.
Doors closing.
Here it goes. These are Janssen elevators. Capacity 22 persons, 1,650 kilos. Modernised in 2020.
Third floor.
Here are 3.
Doors opening.
Now we'll go back on down to G.
Doors closing.
We're only going to do car B in the purple zone because I need to check the other blue ones as well. These are very nice elevators, aren't they, Paul? Eh? Here at 0. Here at 0. Now we'll head on over to the other blue zone. We've transported over to the blue elevators. I think we're going to get in car E right here. Yep, here it is. You doing up, are ya? Over door. What floor you wanting? One? I'll go up to her to 5.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
Absolutely mad about elevators, I am. I absolutely love them. We see another classic. Capacity 17 persons, 1,300 kilos. Modernised 2022.
First floor.
You're out one? There you are.
Thank you.
No problemo.
Doors
Now we gotta go up to 5, aren't we, Paul? Let them doors close. This is the AB block, elevator E. We gotta go up to 5 and then we'll swap over to one of the other ones.
Fifth floor.
You're at 5. Oh, car C is here. Great timing. Car C's here. Great timing, that. Now we'll go down to 0.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
We timed that beautifully, didn't we, Paul? We see another classic. Capacity 24 persons, 1,800 kilos. Modernised in 2023. You're at ground.
Floor 0.
But he says floor 0, even though he says G on the display there. And that's it.